Hey guys, today we're opening we're going to try to open a PAPAIZ in-box springs, it says. 245. I tell you, if this lock doesn't look exactly like an PAPAIZ, I don't know what it does. I've opened this once, only once. And I had to use an old trick. I'm going to use a Peterson Black Series straight hook, a homemade tension wrench, and a Peterson tension wrench. I know. The way this works is that this goes in here, actually provides the tension. This goes in here and provides something for this to rest on. Because if this isn't here, there's no leverage. So I'm just going to go in here like that. There's a little tiny falset. This is exactly like the PAPAIZ I've been trying to open for the last couple of weeks. As a matter of fact, if this works, I'm going to try this on the PAPAIZ. Very light tension. Incredibly light tension. I need to get a little tighter here though. Okay, there's my falset again. See, with that other one in there, then I'm not sliding off the keyway. I've got something to focus on. But I've lost my falset. Nothing wants to give it back, so we'll start all over. Oh, look at that, I started all over, got my falset that way. That's cool. Rather interesting. There's a little deeper falset. Deeper yet. It's acting like it might want to open, isn't it? Not the time to drop the pick. Let's just move over to something else. I have an idea for a table. See, I don't understand why the edge of the table is always someplace where these things can fall. I think the edge of the table should be over here and over here. That way, if anything falls, it just falls at my side instead of on the floor. Why don't people build tables like that? Sort of around me. No, it doesn't look like this is going to happen. Shit. I'm not getting the leverage I was getting with this before. I don't know why. Sounds like it wants to open. Just not opening. But each pop feels like it's going to open. No, I just feel like I'm close here. Nice pin in the back, giving me a little bit of counter rotation. Okay. I don't know. I don't think it's gonna pop. Good. Got it. Got it. That was not easy. That was not easy. Anyhow, there it is. I don't know what kind of video it made, but it popped. PAPAIZ. That was a hard lock. 2045. 3 tools. Thanks, guys.